What alternative tools can be used to remove a hex screw without a hex screwdriver?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that can be quite frustrating: how to remove a hex screw without a hex screwdriver. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it might sound. We'll go over some alternative methods that can help you out in a pinch. Remember, safety is always paramount, so be careful when using these alternatives.
Using a flathead screwdriver.
If you don't have a hex screwdriver at your disposal, a flathead screwdriver can serve as a decent alternative. This works best if the hex screw is not too tight. Step 1. Find a flathead screwdriver that fits as tightly as possible into the hex slot. Step 2. Turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to unscrew. Step 3. If the screw is too tight, try applying some pressure by pushing down on the screwdriver as you turn. Please note, there is a risk of stripping the hex screw with this method, so proceed with caution.
Using pliers.
If you can get a good grip, a pair of pliers can also do the trick, especially if the hex screw is protruding. Step 1. Open the pliers wide enough to clamp onto the hex screw. Step 2. Once you have a firm grip, turn the pliers counterclockwise to loosen and remove the screw. This method can damage the screw, so only use it if the screw is not needed again.
Using a rubber band.
A rubber band can provide the needed grip to remove a stripped hex screw. Step 1. Place a wide rubber band over the top of the screw. Step 2. Push the screwdriver, flathead or Phillips, into the rubber band and turn counterclockwise. This method provides some extra grip and can be effective at turning the screw, especially if it's stripped.
Using a Torx bit.
A Torx bit is a star-shaped bit and it can sometimes fit into a hex screw well enough to turn it. Step 1. Find a Torx bit that fits snugly inside the hex screw. Step 2. Apply pressure and turn the Torx bit counterclockwise to loosen and remove the screw. This method should be used cautiously to prevent damage to the screw or the tool. There you have it, folks. 4 alternative methods for removing a hex screw when you don't have a hex screwdriver. Always remember, the key is to work gently to avoid causing further damage to the screw or the surrounding material. And as always, we hope this guide has been helpful and saves you time in your next DIY project. Stay safe and happy DIYing!